Hey guys, it's Belle. So I wanted to vlog today because I'm so excited, but Missguided have kindly asked me to go on a day out, a night out with them in Manchester. They've taken us to the Christmas markets, but I've not been yet this year, which is weird because I do love going every year. And then I'm not really sure what the next plans are, but I think we're going out for some food and drinks. So this is all Missguided. Got this really soft fluffy coat, and I've got a ribbed turtleneck black jumper, and then I've got some, don't mind the kitty litter, I'll move away, and then I've got some black flared pants. These are really comfortable. Like, my type of vibe for clothes at this time of year is just comfort. One of the only girls that I know that's going is Mads, who I went to El Dorado with Missguided as well, so it'll be so good to see her. I've not seen her in a while, but it's always good seeing her. So yeah, I think we're both going to be vlogging today. Hope it doesn't rain though. It's looking a bit cloudy, but I think there's a bit of sun popping through. But yeah, I'm going to be filming the rest of the day for you, and then I'll show you the outfits later. And they've let us pick like a daytime outfit, which is this, and then a nighttime outfit, so I think that'll be waiting for us at the hotel. But we're staying at Gotham Hotel in Manchester, which is like unbelievable. I stayed there once for my 21st, and that was the first time I've ever been, but it was just insane. I'm gonna get driving now. I'm gonna get some petrol, and then I'll film the rest of the day. Searching for the silver light. Stop, turn, look, and see. Pause, breathe, run, and dream. Stay strong, live. Stay at parent mum get up, and you're like, yeah. Where we're going.
We are going to a gifting suite in 203.
Oh! So we've just been to room 203, which is like a gifting suite, and they've let us like pick clothes and pyjamas, and oh my god, it's just crazy. Wow, let me just show you. Hello. Oh, hello, you okay?
Not what you expected, was it?
No. Oh my god. I've got a bubble mask. Oh my god, the bathroom. Wow. Oh my god, what the hell?
Oh, both ordered the same one. I have 3 of these now, so I love that. So exciting! I love presents.
No.
This lighting is just like, let's just get over it because I can't. It's so cute. Can't wait. This is so Come on.
I thought it was that thing, where people say that you can use soap for your brows.
Oh yeah, I think you can just use any soap, can't you? Ooh. I've just wrapped these.
No, don't want us to get in it.
Oh my god, I didn't know you had our names on it.
Yeah. What? Oh my god, this is the first time. I didn't even notice that before.
That.
I'm gobsmacked because I never come on these things, do I? So I'm like, what the hell? What the hell? Hitting me at once.
Okay.
Spoiled.
Oh, we've got a box of the necessities.
Oh gosh, no, I've not seen this.
Oh, sorry.
Ooh.
We've got.
I've got my Elizabeth. So I'm looking very crazy right now. I look like that Chainsaw Massacre guy.